Welcome. This episode we're going to build part 6-21 left hand slide fulcrum pin, and we're going to build part 6-22 right hand slide fulcrum pin for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to build part 6-21 left hand slide fulcrum pin for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. File new, part MMGS. Okay, going to right plane, sketch. It's going to be a circle. It's going to be marked dimension. It's going to be 11 mils. 11. It's going to be feature extrude cut. I'm not worried about mid plane. It's going to be 24 and done. And I'm going to change that steel. We do have stainless steel. I don't think we have stainless steel on this. Carbon steel. Stainless steel knuckle. Stainless steel. Yeah, it's nothing really smooth on that. Put a brush steel. Alright, now at the end of this one, we're going to do sketch, another circle, make sure it's in the center. That's going to be 9.5. 9.5. That's going through that by 6 mil, and done. Zoom that in. There we go. Beautiful. That is part 6-21 left hand slide fulcrum pin done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Alright, so now we're going to build the other one. So I bundle these two together. This is part 6-22 right hand slide fulcrum pin. So file, new, MMGS. Going to be right plane, sketch, circle. That's going to be 22, not 22, sorry, 11. Pretty much the same as the other one. Actually, it's pretty much the same as the other one, except one slight variation. So the other file could have saved and gone that way, but we'll go this way. We'll do this way. Just done the alteration. There's one dimension alteration. So this was 11, yes it is. Feature extrude. 44.5, that's the difference. The other one was 24. This is 44.5. Okay. Let's change that one to that one. That's steel. Right click on that one, sketch. I'm not doing normal too, because it's pretty straightforward. And that's going to be 9.5. 9.5. That's going to be extruded out by 6. Done. Beautiful. So that's part 6-22 right hand slide fulcrum pin done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. I'll start to put those two together, a similar piece. That way it's going to be two short videos. This one's a little bit longer, but together. Thank you for everyone's support. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much too. I don't say thank you enough, but I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.